Hello, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management Worcester. Just coming to you today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent right now. This is 13 Mott Street, Unit 2 in Worcester, Massachusetts. And this is a unit on the second floor. And I just want to start off by showing you what it looks like when you come in through the front here. So I'm actually kind of in the middle of the apartment now. That's the front door. And if you know a lot of apartments in Worcester, you're going to be familiarly greeted with the layout of this one. So it's got these two spaces here, which then go into the kitchen over there. Plus off to the sides are some bedrooms, some bathrooms. So we're going to take a look at all of that now. We have a lot to get through because the main thing that I realized about this place is that it's very, very big. So as you can see here, there's four windows over here, 4 windows over there. More in the bedrooms throughout. So lots of light. I'm here pretty late in the afternoon. Sun's about to go down a little bit soon. So can't really see, but lots of light in this unit. Nice hardwood floors here, very good condition for the living room. These spaces could fit at least a sectional couch plus an entertainment system. And I'm gonna try to go in all the corners just to give you the best idea of the size and the dimensions of this place, so you can get a better idea of what you might be able to fit. It's got a mixture of heating, so radiators over there, and then some of the units are a little bit different in here. Over here is this bedroom. So if you look at all the bedrooms, pretty much all can fit pretty comfortably, maybe a king size to a queen size bed, plus a desk, dresser, anything else that would go in the room. They all have closets. Over here, that is bedroom number 1. Also some nice build-in, so you're gonna see the cabinets over here as well as in that living room over there. And then this is the other area of the house. So pretty much we're inside the kitchen area, kitchen / dining room. So it gets broken up. Very, very big. I'd love to take a look at what the square feet is at the end of all this. But you can see there's the fridge there with the double door, plus 2 laundry machines, and the microwave and the stove and oven range. So you're very taken care of with the appliances in here. The vinyl in this section also came out very good. So very nice condition. This is easily big enough for, a 6, 8, 10 person round table. And then, even more opportunity for place to sit in here if you didn't want to just have all the walking around space. Over here is the other bedroom, and there's one more after this. So you got this bedroom here. Everything looks great. King / queen, definitely going to be able to fit as well. Just be about making sure that you can get that up to the second floor. And then over here, the last 2 rooms. So this is a bathroom. It's got a sliding glass door, vanity mirror, installed shelves in the backsplash that just look really great in there. So you got a good premium feeling coming from the shower. Very light in here, very bright. Some recessed lighting, as well as other lighting on the ceiling and with the vanity. So very nice bathroom here. Love to see that. Over here is the final bedroom. This could almost be considered the master if you see that's right next to the bedroom, and also has these 2 closets. So it's got dual closets. Some people would call them Jack and Jill closets, but it's a little bit outdated, but that's what they are. So that one there. And there's a closet size for the other one. I didn't really show, but they're pretty much the same. Even though this is a master bedroom, some of the other ones could have a little bit more square feet in them. So it's really just about what your priorities are with the space and everything in it. And once again, that was 13 Mott Street, Unit 2 in Worcester, Massachusetts. If you have any questions about any of the rentals that we have for rent right now, you can go to nexuswor.com/for-rent and schedule a showing with a leasing agent today. And once again, this has been Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester.